Arizona. We did a kennel for one of the Air Force bases. Look how amazing this turned out. I'm going to post a video and pictures of before and after. We completely transformed this entire facility into our full chip industrial coatings. Adam can kind of walk you guys around and show you the facility.
Yeah guys, we're pretty much done now. Just waiting on the final walkthrough. But I mean, as you can see, we're talking 6-foot walls here. This is what it looked like before. So we removed the entire coating. There was like 6 coatings underneath this. Absolutely insane. We got it all the way down to concrete again. The pictures and videos from before will show you that. But I mean, this is top of the line. We got the high traffic urethane on the floor with actually some sand inside of it. It's actually unbelievable for the dog's claws, so they won't dig into the surface. But I mean, you can see these walls completely full chip all the way down, drains, so that when they wash the dogs, I mean, we went ahead and did a coating on top right here to button it all up. I mean,
it just turned out amazing, absolutely amazing. If you guys are in need for any concrete coatings or polishing flooring needs, give us a call, 833-EPOXY-AZ.